Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Honda S2000 and this is by Majorette from their tune-up series and more specifically from JDM Legend series. So it has moving parts as you can see here. So okay, which means are we going to have a different set of hood for this? Let me see. Okay, let's open this box and see because the one which we already unboxed, you can see there that doesn't have a replaceable hood, but you can remove the top like this and you can make it as a convertible. So okay, let's unbox and see. I don't know why they opted for this kind of packaging. I mean, it is a bit hard to like pull this out without damaging the card art. I normally keep the card art. I have like boxes of card arts now, but I don't think I will be able to keep this because one reason being it has the same art in the box. So okay, you can see the card art here. It has the full car that looks really nice, and it has everything put on. It looks really cool. Okay, let me put this card art aside and we will get into the casting now. Let's take everything out. Okay, so here is the box art. The box art looks good. I personally loved that Supra's box art, but because that looked really, the color on the contrast on that one, it looked really nice. So these looks really nice. I know I am not going to deny that, but that was something different. I really personally loved it most so far. So we still have one more card to unbox, right? Let's see. Okay, it doesn't have any hood. Then why they actually? Okay, they could have made that hood openable, like they did for other castings instead of just pulling it out. Okay, let me put this box here. Okay, so here's the underbody kit. It has exhaust here on the two sides, and so this is the top part here. So you can actually mix and match from these cars to that the other ones, but personally I won't do that because maybe I will try because green and pink actually goes a bit well, but that is kind of a fluorescent green and along with the pink along with the black that was gorgeous actually compared to this as of now. So let's see. Let's okay. Here is the hood. So it has Majorette and Castrol, livery there, and the casting actually looks absolutely beautiful. And with this matte green paint job, this is really nice. And the engine detailing on this one looks absolutely gorgeous. I don't remember now whether I removed that hood. I would have done that. I might have done that, but I don't remember it now. But you can see the acrylic headlights here. The logo placement is really nice, and so it has rear view mirrors. These set of rear view mirrors looks way too solid compared to the others which we did, and it does have tail light details as well. It is painted, but it is there, and so the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. You can see the interior very well here, since so far it is not covered at all. We put some focus. Okay, so the windshield is tinted a little bit in black, but not too much. So the set of rims they used for this is similar to the Supra, Silvia, and even the R34. These are the same set of rims. The only so far the set of rims which is a bit different is from that Civic which we unboxed. That is really cool, and I personally love that one. Okay, you can see the grill detailing here. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's put this on and we will weigh this casting. Yeah. Okay, I'm not going to remove that again. I don't have any nails. It is going to be a lot harder to remove this now because I saw that I heard that snap. I hope you guys also heard that. There is no way coming back from that one. Okay. 35 grams, not bad. Let's do a roll test. It actually rolls really well. Even this wheel is not spinning, not every time, but it still rolls really well. Okay, forgot to do a suspension test. Let's see. That's a suspension, and honestly, the livery and everything looks really nice. It is not perfect because you can see some kind of marks here, like the residue. This side it is a bit better, but still, the matte green paint job on this one, it looks really good. Okay, let me put everything. Okay, so the exhaust here you can see it is on both sides, so that's what they're going with uh, in the casting as well. I mean, sorry, in the body kit as well. So let me fix this also. Yeah, now that looks really nice. Okay, red and green looks always really nice. Red and green, red and blue, and black and green, black and pink. So these are really nice combination they went with. So this looks really gorgeous. I mean, okay, let's rate this casting now. You might know right now, that what my answer is. So I'm giving a 10 out of 10. You don't have anything to blame on this cars actually. So this looks really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, follow my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.